Okay guys, the sanding belt was now moving right left. I found the cause that here this bracket was now moving right left. So you can check, yeah, it stopped moving now because I loosened that bolt. So it stopped moving. Should be good now. Yeah, let's see. Alright guys, put it together, everything. It should be working. It should be working now. Okay, go ahead. Wait, start the machine. Start the machine. Oh wait. Okay. Yep. See, now it's going right. Before it was not doing it. So now the belts stay on the roller.
So I noticed a little bit of damage on the surface of the idler roller here.
Right.
And I was asking if the damage is okay, or just to make sure that it gets cleaned out before we use it.
So every day before you run the machine, that's your part of the PM. Make sure all the rollers don't have any debris or anything sitting on it. It's gonna make the bump on the panel.
Okay. And about how long does it take before I have to replace the platen?
It has a graphite.
Mm-hmm.
That graphite, what you can do is you can pull it out
mm-hmm.
and see you still have that graphite.
Yeah.
So most of the time they last long.
Okay.
Yeah. I barely seen people
having to replace that. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. That's good to know. Yeah, we don't use that a lot anyway.
Yeah. And let's test the panel.
Sure.
See how it comes out. The same all the way through.
Yep. Be a little bit of prep on that. Okay, ready?
Very good.
Very good.
All right, guys, just finished the job. The panels are coming out good. So how was it?
He got it going. It wasn't oscillating back and forth. Total cleanup, level the table, working real good right now.
All right.
So thanks, Vic.
You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, man. Thank you.